Alright, YouTubers, quick lunch. Get the pan heated up. Some olive oil. The pan should be hotter, but I'm in a hurry. I'm always in a rush. These are those potato patties. Gonna do 4 of them. Trying something a little weird. Over here we got some leftover London. And I'm gonna cut it down really thin. That piece for me. Oh. I'm gonna eat that chunk. Alright, and I sliced up a little bit of onion. Alright, those are browned up. Take those out. Put them on a plate. 3 solos on again. Alright, this is not going to take any time at all. I got it as low as it'll go. Some sriracha. Tiny bit of water. Alright. It's warm enough. We're gonna, it's hard to record, so I'm just gonna get it all set up. Alright. Things I had. There we go, a sandwich-ish. Let's see. Well, what's not to like, right? That's really good. I like this. Alright, have a great and wonderful day. Yum. Alright, YouTubers, first of all, excuse the jarred sauce, I apologize. But this is going to be super, super quick and easy meal that you can cook when you're RVing. When you just don't feel like really breaking out the grill and doing all that stuff. 2 different kinds of tortellini. Well, a tortellini and a ravioli. I'm eating it in this. In case I don't eat it all, I'm not dirtying extra dishes because I'm going to do dishes. That's why I cooked out there in this. I'll just boil the water in there and wash in my bucket. Great and wonderful day. My timing was very good because not long after that a storm started rolling in. I tried to catch a little bit of it for you, but I think I missed the most of it with the camera, you know, because I was scurrying around and all that good stuff. But I do realize there are people out there that like a good rainstorm, so I'll share what I got. Storm's coming. Got everything all battened down. Leaving in the morning. Bye-bye. For night. It's taking longer than expected, but I'm bringing the rain. I don't know how well you can see it. Using my Lumix camera. See how the rain does. Vinny, you don't need to mess with that camera. It's on the dash, leave it. Is that hail? Hail or pine cones? Did you hear that stuff, Vinny? Those pine cones. Those are big trees. Let's hope they stay standing. I'm guessing those are pine cones, Vinny. Relax. Okay, you're alright. Freaking out. Got everything all situated just in time, didn't I, brother? Keep nothing phases you. Yeah. There were a lot of people that didn't look like they put anything away. And this, my friends, is another reason tent camping's not really my thing anymore. Okay, Vinny, because you just have to be up there, don't you? There. Better eat, Vinny. See, you're nervous. Pine cones are freaking you out, aren't they? I did just realize something I do that is sometimes I think smart and sometimes stupid. I have a master battery shut-off switch, and it's shut off, so I hope we don't lose power because I got my battery shut off. I'd have to go get wet, turn it on. Probably shouldn't have done that. Man, those trees are swaying. I don't want to watch them. They grow to sway like that, but it's kind of nerve-wracking. You're okay under there. It's got your attention now, doesn't it, Keek? I don't think it's going to be too much. Sorry you guys can't see anything. There, that might be a little bit better towards the ear. Alright, Vinny wants to dash. You guys lose out to Vinny. Have a great and wonderful day. We'll see if anything else happens. I think it's slowed down. Vinny's hiding under the bed now. I bring the rain. Usually much quicker. Bring some lightning. No thunder? No thunder. Lightning. After 9 o'clock at night. I hope they got this rain up north where they need it with all them forest fires up in the bush, lightning. Well, I had a big clap of thunder a while back. I thought there might be more, but not looking like it. Have a great and wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed.